Okay, so quick explanation of an assignment here. You are going to be using your bumper switch, which is this, it looks like a little button, okay, and basically you just push it in, push it out. It's a touch sensor. And I want you to learn a little bit about what the V5 actually understands and how it works and how the code will work with using this bumper switch. So you want to know not just what's happening with the bumper switch, but what the robot understands it as. The touch sensor is actually like the robot's sense of touch, but unlike your sense of touch, this sense of touch is very, very simplistic, and it can only understand either in, pushed in, or out, in and out. But robots don't think in words like in and out, they think in numbers. And so one way that you can investigate what your robot is seeing is by hitting the Devices tab right here. I'm going to hit that, and then it's not perfectly clear, but this sort of triangular symbol is the what you want to put for 3-wire sensors. Okay, notice some of your sensors, a lot of your sensors, have 3 prongs on them. They're called 3-wire sensors. So I'm going to hit that button, that triangular button. And all of these sections correspond to a lettered port. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Right now, I have the touch sensor plugged into port B. You can barely see it here, but it is plugged into port B right there. And so if we looked carefully at, and you're not going to, I guess you can see that, at port B, if I hit the button, the number will change. It's not pushed in, it's pushed in. Not in, out, in, out, in. So I want you to do that on your own and complete the questions on the handout that you can see in the background, which is the bumper limit sensor data, and we will move on from there. And you can use that same information for the CS2N lessons.